The Mayan Magnum is a one-of-a-kind prototype sports car built by Dean Charles Ng, a man whose background is as eclectic as the car itself. A former United States Air Force veteran, aerospace engineer, professor, and award-winning science fiction author, Ng created the Mayan Magnum as a personal engineering and design exercise, starting in the late 1950s. Inspired by European exotics like the Maserati 450S Costin Coupe and the Porsche-Glöckler 356 Coupe, Ng envisioned a lightweight, aerodynamic grand touring car that embodied efficiency, simplicity, and reliability. The project began with Porsche components: engine, suspension, transmission, and brakes, all chosen for their performance and tunability. The car was built on a custom fiberglass body over a Volkswagen Beetle floor pan, resulting in a dry weight of just 1,000 pounds, 454 kilograms. However, Ng admitted the first version was merely a collection of high-quality parts that failed to impress as a whole. In 1962, he replaced the Porsche engine with a Chevrolet Corvair-sourced 2.4-liter flat-six paired with a 4-speed manual transaxle. The Corvair engine offered more torque and simplified maintenance. Ng retained the Porsche suspension, likely from a 356, and created a rear-engine, rear-wheel drive layout. Aerodynamic considerations were paramount. Door handles were covered, the rearview mirror was sunken into the fender, and body panel seams were minimized. Even the front license plate was reluctantly retained only for legal compliance. The car featured a futuristic design with gullwing doors, a sculpted cockpit, and wraparound glass from a Fiat. Ng invested over 3,000 labor hours in shaping the fiberglass body in his home garage. Materials like titanium, epoxy, and balsa wood were incorporated where suitable. The minimalist interior included brown upholstery, aircraft-style belts, and exposed instrumentation behind the dashboard. Though road legal and tested by competitive drivers, the Magnum remained a personal project, never intended for mass production. Ng drove the car regularly, even using it in local parades in Ashland, Oregon. Despite signs of wear, it was preserved well. After Ng's passing in 2020, the car was listed for sale, first unsuccessfully at $25,000, then later reappearing at lower bids on Bring a Trailer and Craigslist. A restoration in recent years altered its color from green to white, but kept much of the original design intact. Today, the Mayan Magnum stands as a fascinating artifact, part science fiction fantasy, part engineering experiment. It is a testament to one man's pursuit of form, function, and freedom of design, embodying the intersection of imagination and mechanical reality.